Hello guys, welcome to our Codex. I welcome to all of you in the R Codex channel. In this channel, you will learn everything you need to get started programming with Python. Guys, in this tutorial, we will learn about what is Python, its features, its application, and why Python is different from other programming languages. So guys, let's start it with what is Python. Python is an interpreted popular programming language and it is designed and created by Guido van Rossum. The first version of Python is released in 1991 and its features are we can use Python for web applications as well as we can use Python for software development. Most of the company who use Python for handle the multiple data. And the second one is why Python is different for other programming language. Most of the programmer give more importance to Python. The reason for this, Python works on different platform. The reason is the Python is platform independent language. We can run the Python code in different operating system like Windows, Mac, Linux and Raspberry. As well as Python has a simple syntax like English language. Suppose a non-technical user who has a wish to write a code with Python, who has a wish to learn Python, they can easily learn because its syntax is like a normal English language. As well as Python syntax allow the developer to write a program with fewer lines because Python has a different package and function which allow the user to write a code with simple and fewer lines. The programmer do not need to write the code again and again. It removes the overhead of the user. With the help of Python, we can create a web application, we can create a software, as well as we can create a database system. With the help of Python, we can read, modify the database system with the query, as well as most of the company and the organizer who use Python to handle big data and perform complex mathematical operations. Thank you guys. I hope you like my tutorial and the upcoming tutorial we will learn about how to install the Jupyter notebook and how to write the code with Jupyter notebook. Thank you guys. If you like my tutorial, please like it and press the bell icon. Thank you guys.